Bowling Harbour has been an important site for literally thousands of years. The Romans built a fort and bathhouse there to mark the most western point of the Antonine Wall, a final frontier in 144 AD. And in more recent times, it marked the western end of the Forth and Clyde canal. This lock system, allowing boats to take a massive shortcut along Scotland's narrowest stretch from Bowling to Grangemouth. 2 railway lines ran through here at one time, and you can still see the swing bridge that let the ships with the high masts pass through. The black and white customs house, built in the early 19th century, has just been refurbished, and the archways under the tracks now house cafes and shops. Still well used, the harbour is an ideal spot for a walk, or to watch the wildlife like this moorhen, or the young cormorant here drying its wings beside the Clyde.